Dear students, wish you all a very pleasant morning. Jai Swaminarayan. Today we will be revising an informal letter. Why I am saying it a revision? Because you have already did it in 5th standard. So let us quickly recap what is an informal letter. It is a letter written mainly for personal communication. That means when we are writing a letter to our family, friends or relatives. Those are known as informal letters. These letters are mainly written in friendly and casual language. So let us look into the format outline. First of all, you would be writing sender's address. That means if I am writing a letter, I will be writing my address, and if you are writing a letter, you would be writing your address. After that, leave one line. After that, write date. The correct format of date is this only. Whether you're writing formal letter or informal letter, the correct format of writing date is this. After that also, you have to leave one line. After that, write salutation. Salutation means you have to address the person whom you are writing the letter. Your friend, your parents, your uncle, aunt, whomsoever. After that, let us start writing main body. Main body, it mainly consists of 3 paragraphs. First paragraph you have is an introduction type. You can ask about the well-being of the person to whom you are writing a letter. Second paragraph is content. In this, whatever is asked in the question, suppose you are asked to write a letter to your friend, inviting him or her to your birthday party. Here you will be writing that only. And in the third paragraph, it is a conclusion. You can pay regards to the family members, or you can request the person to reply you soon. After that, complimentary close, that means you will be writing yours lovingly, and in the end you will be writing your name. Now go through this sample format and practice it sincerely. Students, here I am providing you with an example of an informal letter, which will surely guide you to write an informal letter in a proper manner. Write a letter to your friend Rashmi inviting him to spend the summer vacation at your place in Mumbai. So, first of all, we will be writing the sender's address. 129 Raheja Apartments, Powai, Mumbai. Then we would be writing the date, 15th May 2020, because today is 15th May, so I have written 15th May, and you will be writing the date on whichever date you would be writing the letter. Then salutation. As you have seen in the question, this letter you are writing to your friend Rashmi. So you'll be writing Dear Rashmi. Now first paragraph, you're asking about the well-being of the family. How are you and everyone in your family? I hope my letter finds you in best of health and spirits. Now in second paragraph, as it was told earlier, that you'll be writing the content which you have to write, which is asked in the question. That means you in the question it is asked that you are inviting your friend Rashmi to the your place during summer vacation. So second paragraph goes like that only. As summers are approaching, I was thinking if we could spend the summer break together at my place in Mumbai. I will introduce you to all my friends and close relatives. I will give you a city tour as well. We will spend some quality time in the afternoons near the seashore. And in the third paragraph, you will be paying regards to the family members. I am excited even at the thought of you and I spending the summer vacation together after so long. I have to tell you the lot of things and expect the same from you. Give my regards to auntie and uncle. Hope to see you soon. And in the end, conclusion, yours lovingly and your name. So here Shruti is writing to Rashmi. So in the end, it is written Shruti. So you can follow this letter to write the letter given to you in the assignment. Students, you are supposed to do the following assignment in your grammar notebooks only, in a very neat handwriting. First, copy format of an informal letter in your English grammar notebook. Practice it sincerely. Second, you have to write a letter to your friend. Due to lockdown, your schools are closed and you are getting time to spend with your family members. Write a letter to your friend telling him or her about how are you helping your parents at home and what you are enjoying the most. Strictly follow the given format and do it very neatly. It's a kind request. In all the notebooks, English work you have to do very neatly. Otherwise, I may ask you to do all the work again. Fill the index also in your notebook as you were doing in previous class. Thank you. Have a nice day.